Yo, what up, man? It's your boy Khaotic, man. And today, YouTube, man, I just want to get into getting y'all back into my life, how I used to have y'all in my life. You feel what I'm saying? And y'all know I went through 3 years of no license. For 3 stinking years, I ain't had no license, right? And when I got my license back on January 17th, I said, I'm going to bless myself with a new car on January 17th since I got my license back. Now, as y'all can remember, I had the BMW truck black, then I had the Slingshot, and then I had the Maybach truck. Remember, somebody tried to unalive me in my Maybach truck. They tried to set me up, and I ended up selling my Maybach truck. I only had my Maybach truck probably for a couple months, and I ended up selling it because somebody tried to, and it was a woman, you feel me? A evil, hating woman tried to, cause harm to me in that truck. So what I did, and the reason she tried to do that is because her name was on the truck with my name. Because I bought the truck in her name, but I ain't have my license, and that's what I get for trying to do stuff without having my stuff together. So I ain't have my license. I tried to get so that's long story short, I got rid of my Maybach truck. So I was down to just my BMW truck and my Slingshot. So when I got my license back, I said, you know what? I got tired of the Slingshot because when the winter time come, it get cold and I can't drive the Slingshot. And then when I let it sit during the winter, the battery always die. I got to get the battery. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to get rid of the Slingshot when I get my license, and I'm going to get me one of my dream cars. Now, right here what we got is 2025 Corvette Stingray. I got this matte color is a one-of-one matte color. Nobody got this matte color. It's like a, I don't even know what it's called. It's like a, it's like a chameleon. It like changes. It go from purple to blue to like a greenish. So it goes between purple and blue, and then sometimes it'll hit like a green. So let's just get the colors, the details of the colors of the car. Let's show them the car. Right here, I got the blue brake calipers to like blend, and I got the black rims. Those are the factory rims. I was gonna put Forgiatos on it, but I felt like I could have went and spent $20,000 on Forgiatos, which I ain't got $20,000 right now to spend on no rims. Not on no rims. I go invest in some property, but not on no rims. So I did that with my Maybach truck. Ended up getting rid of them rims. So I left it with factory rims because I think it looked cool like that with the blue brake calipers. And then you can see, you feel me? It's convertible top, so the top do come up off of it. Let them see that beauty. Just give them don't show them my tag, but just show them from around here. This is a beautiful vehicle, you know what I'm saying? I got the 5% tints on here. As y'all can see, it's 5% tint. You cannot see in there. So if y'all ever see this car and you think I'm in it, it might be somebody I rented the car to. So yeah, that's my baby. This was one of my dream cars. I know it's a lot of these out there and a lot of people got them, but I was dying to have one of these cars. Like, I actually love these cars. I love how they ride. I love how fast they are. Like, this my baby. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful vehicle. And what I did was I traded my Slingshot in, and I paid the difference and got this. I got rid of my Slingshot. I paid the difference and I got this. This is my beautiful baby. She don't got a name yet. She just some fine shit right now. I might name her fine shit. That's fine shit right there. That's babe. You feel me? Factory on the rims. Clean, nice matte paint on that thing. I didn't have to do much. It comes fully loaded, so I ain't have to do much. Now here, my BMW truck, this is more kitted up. As you can see on my BMW truck, this is a 2023 BMW truck. I got the Forgiatos on here, Forgiato rims. Those rims ran me $15,000. for those rims. Hate it. Also got the blue brake calibers on that. You feel me? It's a beautiful car. But let me tell y'all what happened, right? So I end up having some more problems with somebody. And they straight up, like, get this close up. They did this to my car. They straight, so I gotta buy new, I'm gonna buy some new these. They straight my whole thing up on some hating. You know how them haters be. They hate it, straight my whole thing up right here. So I gotta get these new, which I'm gonna get that. I just haven't been in a rush, but I'm gonna get those new, get them out. But you can give them a full, step back and let them see how beautiful this thing is. Another beauty. Like, and then you can see like how it, when you step back and look at it, it got the green, it'll go blue, then it'll go green, then it'll go purple. Those colors be flipping. That's what I love about this matte particular. The colors be flipping. Then you can also see the 5% tints. You can't see in here. Look through the front glass. You can't see through the front glass, so you never know who in here. So if you see my cars and you think I'm in here, it might be a chance that, cause these are also investments. So these be rented out also because I have another car and that's my slider. So my other car that I got, I would never show that because that's my slider. That's the car I ride in when I don't want nobody to know it's me. But these cars also, I rent them out for video shoots. To certain high caliber friends and clients that I got, I rent them out to them. But I just don't rent them out to anybody. But I'm gonna show y'all something cool about this. So let me let you in the car right here. Come on, get in the car. Get in right here. When you get in, close the door. I'm gonna show y'all something even more cool about this car. So I got the peanut butter guts in here. You know what I'm saying? Peanut butter guts on here. But let me show y'all something else. I'm gonna show y'all two cool things about this car. One cool thing is I got the beat out. I got the bass in here. So, you know, I'm from Florida, so we gonna always have the bass. Let me see. We gonna always have the bass.
One cost line.
So, as y'all can see, I got the stars in the ceiling. And I can do different things with the stars. So, look, I can make them go Christmas lights. I can do them like Christmas lights. I can make the stars jump and they just switch color. I can make them fade and they just stay still. This is my favorite one. Fade is my favorite one, where they just fade. They don't do too much. Then you got an auto setting. When you go auto, it just bounce around. They got a music setting. So the music setting, they play out the music. Look. So they bounce off how the music play. That's super cool. You know what I'm saying? That's the music section. And then they got a breathe setting where it's just like, it goes like breathing, like. So it's a breathing setting. And then if I want to just make it a one solid color, I could go orange, I can go yellow, I can go burgundy, I can go whatever color, a certain color if I want to, I can go. But I told y'all, I really like the music one now better. And then I don't know what this do. Let me see what this do. This up button. I don't know what that do. Fade. And then I don't know what else the rest of this stuff do. I really be scared to hit certain buttons. Oh, this make it brighter. So yeah, y'all see what's going on with the. So that's another thing. And then I got the peanut butter inside. Let me see the peanut butter guts. You see the guts is peanut butter. You know what I'm saying? The guts is peanut butter. The peanut butter guts like the 7 tray dunks back in the days. Yeah, so these are just two of my beautiful vehicles, man. And I just wanted to sharing with y'all, show y'all. Like I said, I'm back on my YouTube vibes. I'm back on my day in the life vibes. God is so good, man. When he blessed me to get my license back, I'm like, you know what? I got my license back. It's time to turn up. So I went on ahead and went Corvette. And then, let me show y'all something else with the Corvette. So the inside is black and red. So you see this red on the inside? They're about to paint this black. So they're gonna put like a black coating right here. I gotta just take it back because when I did it, they didn't have the black. So this is red right now, but we gonna turn this black. So once that hit black, you see I got the black and red inside. But once that turn black, y'all can see it's gonna be crazy because it's gonna hit off that. So it's gonna have that same matte right there on the inside, black, and that's gonna be crazy. You know what I'm saying? So like, yeah, man, God is the greatest. Oh, I can share out something else for those that don't know. Hold on, for people that don't know about these cars, let me show y'all something else. Let me show y'all something else for people that don't know about these cars. The engine is in the trunk. So that's the engine. It's in the back. And then this is a trunk space right here. This is one small trunk space. The engine is in the back. And then up here, I got a second trunk space. I got another little small trunk space right here. You can't fit much in there, but that's another little trunk space. And boom, that's my Corvette. Stop being up, jet like that, like that, like that. So yeah, man, these my beautiful whips, man. Y'all make sure y'all share this video, like, subscribe, comment, and what I want y'all to do in the comment section below is give me some ideas of some more stuff that y'all want to see in my day-to-day life, in my day-to-day life. If y'all want to see more of whatever y'all want to see more of, let me know. And make sure y'all comment and let me know so I can make sure I bring it to y'all. I love you people. I appreciate you people. I'm grateful for you people. Y'all make sure y'all keep tapping in and keep turning up. Let's go. Boola!